Hello friends, how are you? Today in this video I will tell you about the broken English, what is the broken English, and why should we speak broken English if we want to speak in English language, if you want to fluent, if you want to our fluency more better than before. First of all, we should start speaking English. You can say the broken English, and broken English is that whenever you speak English not in proper way, you do the mistakes while speaking English. That English is called the broken English, and especially the non-native people speak the broken English. I also speak the broken English, and I'm trying to improve the quality of my speaking better. Because on daily basis I am making the videos in English language, and in this way I'm making the practice. And if I don't make the videos, I don't have any person or any family member with whom I can speak English language, or with whom I could speak English language, because whenever you memorize the words, difficult words and sentences from spoken English books, then after that you require the practical experience. And if you don't have any person with whom you could speak English, or with whom you can speak English, then do the videos in English language. Do mistakes, make videos, check those videos again. If you find any mistakes, then again make the same video again and again, and finally when you think that this video is able to upload on YouTube channel, do that video, upload that video on YouTube channel, and let the people see. And also there are some people who would criticize on you, and they will write that you have spoken this sentence in wrong way. Then from there you also make those sentences correct in your next video. So I think that if you want to work in English language, if you want to upload videos in English language, start making videos, and don't hesitate while making the mistakes, because if you don't make the mistakes, you could not correct those mistakes. And make videos, because you don't have any person with whom you can speak English language, spoken English language. So this is the best platform, making the videos and uploading them on YouTube, and other people will correct you whenever you do some mistakes. So I also started this channel, and I'm also making the mistakes, and I make the videos, and I do the mistakes, and whenever I watch my own videos, I also find the mistakes, and then I try to correct those mistakes. So because this is the problem, whenever we speak fluently, we make the sentences translation from our own language to English. That is the problems, because in back our mind was thinking about the translation, and this is the main problem in our fluency. Don't think, don't translate while speaking. Do speaking, continue your speaking, and make the mistakes, and after making that video, watch your own video and try to correct your mistakes. Don't make mistakes in your next video. In this way you will be able finally to speak fluently. The main motive should be to make other understand whatever you saying. If other people are understanding your speech, then it is good. And also this is not our own language, and we have learned this language by reading the books, spoken books and some other books. So mistakes can be happen. Do the mistakes and try to correct those mistakes in next video. Hope you find this video useful. Allow me, and before leaving, subscribe to this channel. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you.